And hi guys, welcome back to a new video. I got some McDonald's, sorry, copyrighted, but we got some M's and I got a toy from Walmart. I haven't looked at it yet. You guys tell me what it is. I'm not looking. Okay, and I am ready to open this. Okay, ready? Taking the tape off. Just got this, okay. Taking the tape off. I'm excited, guys. What do you think it's gonna be? What do you think it's gonna be? Like, really, what do you think it's gonna be? What do you think it's gonna be? Okay. But as you can see there, look, hands covering it. As you can see, there are a bunch of different characters you can get. The one that I'm going for is the bacon hair. Let's see if we get it. First try in 3, 2, 1. No way I got it first try. We got the bacon hair. We actually got it. Unboxing. Yay. Let's take this guy out. So, if I don't sound amazing today, because I'm sick, but I'm still posting for you guys. We got the bacon hair. Yay. I'm pretty sure it comes with something. We got the, don't take my kill, but we got the bacon mustache. Yes, we do. I'm gonna just slip all the stuff back in. And I'm gonna redeem that bacon mustache on copyrighted something. Got a snack. Can't see the logo, but you probably know what it is. Okay, let's get it. We got it. We got a toy. We got a toy. Sorry, but we got a toy. What do you think we're gonna get? Okay. Let's open this guy up. Why did they do this to me? They put something over it so we can't see it today. I'm sorry. I'm just kidding. We can see it. Let's put this away. We got a strong minion. Can his legs come off? Oh. So we got this guy. Woohoo! What's his name? What should I name this guy? Name him in the comments. Let's put him away. And guys, let's see what my nan got me at copyrighted. Public out. There we go. Now you can tell. Got a nugget. Nugget. Yay. We got a nugget. I'm happy. We got a nugget. Got a nugget. What? I'm going to finish this nugget, but I'm going to talk to you. So, when you name this guy, hope you name him a good name. Bye.